Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Flair from Little Charmers. Grab your marker and follow along with me. Let's begin with the eyes. You're going to draw 2 circles. Make it nice and round. Two pupils inside. With light reflections. And let's color the pupils in. Next we're going to draw the lashes, the eyelashes. So I'm just going to draw 2 lines just above the eye, and I'm going to give it 3 eyelashes. Same thing on the other side. And I'm going to give it 3 eyelashes. And I just want to draw the irises as well. I forgot to draw that. So there's 2 irises as well for the eyes. There we go. Let's color the eyelashes in. Right above the eyelashes, the eyebrows. So I'm just going to draw the bottom part of the eyebrow first. Just 2 lines. There we go. And now let's draw the top part. Let's make it thin. There we go. And let's color them in as well. Now we're going to draw a little bow just above the eye. So you're just going to draw a sort of a heart shape. And let's draw the little bow. There we go. And draw the other side of the bow as well. Now we go to the nostrils. So I'm just going to draw 2 little ovals right between the eyes for the nostrils, and right below that we're just going to draw a little smile, and maybe let's make her mouth open. So there's a little opening in her mouth as well. Now I'm going to start with the ears. I'm going to draw a small ear there, and about the same height I'm going to do it on this side as well. There, like that. And we have 2 ears. And we're going to draw the top part of the ear. And on this side, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to do a top part of the ear. So there's 2 ears. Beautiful. And I want to draw hair inside the ear, and just a little line inside the ear to give it some definition right there. Great. Now for the chin. I'm going to make a little guideline for me right there, and I'm going to draw a nice round chin. So I'm going to draw the ear from the ear, make it nice and round, all the way around. So there's the head. Now there's 2 little horns, and I'm just going to start right here above the bow, and I'm going to make a little horn here. We're going to do the same thing. I'm just going to make it next to the ear as well, about that size. And you're going to draw a little horn there as well. And there's some stripes. Then right here in the middle of the head, let's say I'm going to start about here, and I'm just going to draw a little, it seems like some sort of mane or something here in the middle of her head. There we go. And now we're going to finish up with the head. Right there. And I'm just going to continue a line through it. And on this side I'll draw another line there. Great, and there's the head. Perfect. And maybe just one more circle there as well. Now we're going to start with the body. I'm going to draw the arms first. I'm going to do this, and on this side I'm going to do the same thing. This is going to be the two arms bending. Now from there you're going to make it nice and round and bring it back, and this side you're going to do exactly the same thing. And none, we're just going to draw two little lines, and this is arms folding. And now we're going to draw these short little fingers, and on the other side as well. And now we're going to draw the body. So I'm just going to draw a little circle both sides, maybe like this. Good. And we're just going to connect this with little stripes through, because it's sort of little sections of our belly. There we go. There's one section, and here's another section. Good. And then a final section right here below. There we go. Now next to that, I'm going to draw the feet. I'm going to cross over my belly, and on this side I'm going to do the same thing, and I'm going to put in a shadow. And there we go, and then we can draw the toes right here on top. And there's the toe right there on top, and then we're going to just draw the legs, connecting it to the feet. And now from here I'm going to draw the wings. There's one wing. Let's do the other wing as well. And there's the other wing. And last but not least, we're going to draw the tail. Just going to make a nice, and you're just going to stop there. Now here I want to draw a little scale, or a little horn on the tail. I'm going to take the tail through and connect it back to the body. And on this side we're just going to draw these few little horns on top of the tail as well. And there's flare. Now you can look at my picture and you can match the colors, and you can color flare in, and flare will look absolutely great, I'm sure of it. Thank you for drawing with me. Please leave me a comment if you want me to draw something else. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you soon.